All right, there we go. Something like that. Hello, chat. Um, I am pretty tired, but I'm not as tired as I was before. I bought a tiny amount of chocolate that I ate and tip top fucking ice cream because they were 50% off, and I hadn't had one in a very long time. So I just felt like, man, I am so goddamn tired. I genuinely just need some fucking sugar in my system to kick myself into gear for a bit. So I did that, and I think I don't even remember. Right, I'm just I have a slight headache, or it's maybe not even a slight headache. I have a pretty bad headache, but I really want to finish this thing today. It would be really dope. I'm gonna turn up the lights in the room a little bit, and hopefully that'll help. Because my eyes are pretty tired. So hopefully that'll help a little bit. Yeah, you guys will have to sit somewhere over here. I'm sure the audio is hopefully fine. I try to speak loud enough. Okay, can I? Yeah. Yeah, so that's the most it can do. I don't want to delete things. Uh, Candlelight, that's a bit much. I mean, we can go with like super, like harsh. Soft daylight, neutral. I don't really like candle. It's a bit much. Maybe amber. Let's go to amber, I think, and let's just reduce it down a little bit because it's a bit much. Now we're in the kitchen. This one is already ultra warm. It can stay at, yeah, nothing really changes there. It's already 100% cool. And the ones in my bedroom are broken because of fuck my little brother, I guess. Not that I would probably turn it on here anyway, but I'm just generally pretty annoyed at it. Alright, wait, let me. Well, I'm sorry, Jet. My phone needs to charge as well, so I'll put it in me somewhere. Fucking massive things, it's cables. God damn it. Please stop. Oh, good. Here we go. I can go over there. Oh no. Oh fuck. Oh well. Ah, whatever. Go away. I wanna see. Please search. Yes. Welcome. It doesn't super matter. Cool. Oh, chat, I'm back. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, we can so I added a few fucking like guiding points. But that seems like that's super unnecessary. Maybe I just kill them. That's sort of what I'm thinking. Really not hard from here. My brain is just a little toasty. Yeah, we can remove this thing here and things. Yeah. I have my last Coke here. I fucking love Coke Zero, man. So fucking good. Rapid command for that. Open the gripper. I like the music, but I also okay. Yeah, things like that. So, because in their instruction thingies here, they just do not have those other plans. I thought we were gonna make a little nice arc, but they just go up and then which that makes sense to do it that way. Quite frankly, make a target with the home position using teach target. I did that. Okay, so they want us to do it in the figure six way. So I'll do it that way because I mean this looks fucking messy. I understand that, right? So the logic is and then down, but that's completely unnecessary. So I just won't do it that way then. Let me just kill off some other points. Where can I see where this one is placed? It should really change up here when you go. This is a create target thing. Okay, I'm gonna take my damn headset off, chat, because like that's probably one of the reasons. Oh, I'm sorry, I hit you guys in the face. Let me even pull it out here. That's probably one of the reasons why I'm feeling pretty bad. It's just because that fucking headset just makes my ears unreasonably warm. So just going like this is just fine. I won't listen to it right now anyway. So. But I can't hear my own voice, which it is what it is. Yeah, let's do something like that, chat. Let's do something like that. So this is the midpoint. It really shouldn't be necessary. Okay, I'm just gonna, since they don't use it, I'm not using it. Oh lord. Here I used another midpoint. So let me move this guy up then. Let's see here, this guy. Woohoo, yeah, that guy. Better at this here. Yeah, I don't know. This guy, and then there's another one here. So we can also kill them. likely. Let's keep him there for now. Move up this guy up here in line with this thing. So let's go here. Modify position. Did it pick the right guy? What happened? Did he return to the origin thing? Maybe. Oh lord. Current TCP? Wait, what? Modify target. Well, now we can actually offset the position, can't we? Wait. Let me just pan up a little bit. Yeah, that should work. And now we move him. I think it's 50 units. I mean, we can put it up so it's in X. Should move him 50 units from here. Apply. Oh, wait. That's the... Oh, yeah, it's the Y direction. I mean, well, we're gonna need that guy anyway, but... Control C, not a fucking thing in this programming language. God fucking damn it. Target 5. Minus 50 from where... Or 0. Minus 50 in X. Apply. 0 maybe. Okay, so it is compared to the TCP, I assume then. So it's 50 in this direction. Apply. Minus 15, or is it, it's plus 50 in this direction now. And then 0 in that direction. And there we go. We got there in the end, chat. Now he's above. And this guy is equivalent to this guy who's just in the middle of them. And then this guy who's down there. I'm going to keep those points because it feels like they will be useful. Hopefully. Right, so now we make a path. Let's see here. Right, I understood things correctly. Begin with making this little thing out. We can make the target for the home position by using teach target by default. Make a target for the home position by using teach target. I don't know if they mean by how I have done it here. Does the robot get into singularity in... I would say it doesn't. But of course, I'm not very good at identifying those yet. We'll see. If it does, then it does, and they will catch it, and we'll catch it later. So it's fine. Keep it like this. Your soldier looks something like figure 6, what it shit does. Run auto configure. Right, so if I understood this correctly here, essentially the TCP is at this point. Are we gonna grab it by the fucking nut? Like by the balls, by the fucking thing in the bottom? I don't know. I wouldn't feel comfortable. I mean, because then we have 0 clearance, right? Do we need to do that in order to grip him? I don't know. I don't think so. Okay, and then we'll make a path. Define a path and run auto configure. Synchronize to rapid and save implementation. Okay, yeah, so let's define my path. So we'll go here. It's in here, or is it in simulation? I don't remember. No, it's in here that we make our path. Create new path. Let's go here. And then let me close that for now. So this is our path. And then modify, no? And then you put the things in, right? Does this work? I want to go up here again. Move L starting position. I want to go down here. So between here and here. Yes. Starting post 2. Don't know if that's necessary for there, but maybe. Then we do auto configure, which I don't entirely remember how it is. How do you do the auto configure thing? Look into here. Okay, chat, I'm cooking again. My fucking brain is doing things. I'm following the instructions and I'm moving along. This is exactly what we want. Auto configuration. Auto configure it. Right clicking on the path and select auto configure it. So here, where is the auto configure it button? Auto configuration. Or do that or something. Merge compiling, yep. Synchronous rapid, yeah. Rapid. Where's synchronize? Here's synchronize. Synchronize to rapid. Sure, do it all for now. And then we hit the rapid button. Oh wait, go here again. Why can't I see the things I'm looking for? Isn't it like here or something? Okay, there we go. Cause if I go like here or something, where is it's in rapid. Yeah. This is the one I want to open. Yeah. There are a bunch of things, and then user, there's some user things, and here's the module, the one we're actually gonna. Yeah, so there's stuff here, and yeah, so things are making sense so far. So with this in mind, rapid. Right, so we don't have anything to apply. Synchronize the station. So now when I go here, or I guess here, I should be able to play it. I wonder if there's something there I'm doing wrong. Move along path. Oh, okay, and now it's super fast, right? Yeah, that's why. So he starts there, boom, 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 right? So he's so fast. Yeah. So let me go into the rapid code real quick and just change that. Let's put the V. Can you do Control F in here? Find V1000, right? V1000 and replace with the 100 for now. And then we go rapid. And then we apply changes. And then we go rapid. And then we synchronize the station. Get all for now. This thing is simple enough to where we don't have to think about that too much. Now, when I go into simulation and I play here, or is that not a thing there yet? Maybe it isn't. Move on path. Something like that. And then if we go back into rapid in here and we just replace, I don't need everything there to be C100 C1. Let's go C100 and replace them with C10 just for now, because I want to sort of see what it'll look like. Station. Close this thing again. Where's the thing I'm looking for? This. Wait. The wrong path. Don't want to move him back to the starting pose. Can I do this? Path. So insert. Zone. Mirror. I want to insert. I thought I saw a insert function somewhere in here. Yes, there. Insert move instruction. Okay, wait. Close that up. We just want. Then we want him to go back up, probably. So I'm thinking, so here we go, boom, boom, boom. We want to go back there. So, this point. Sure. Wait, do we not have one? The absolute bottom of that thing, by the way. We don't have a point down there anymore. Starting pose. So let's rename this then. Midpoint of bolt starting. Is this a fine name? Yes. Oh, it doesn't. So starting point. Why the fuck did that not work? The fuck is happening over there? That doesn't look very good. Oh lord, what's happening? Well, the thing there, it's not there anymore. I guess it's just a glitch. By the looks of things. Yeah, it's just a visual error. Interesting. Oh wait, it's only for the genuinely not sure what's happening there. Okay. I want them to be in the specific. Say when I'm looking for the thing, I want them to easily be able to identify them. Not a valid rep name. Okay. My fucking, oh my fucking god, please let me edit names. What is this dog shit fucking app, man? Holy fuck, this app is so dog shit, man. Because in their picture there, it's just down. So they don't even have the midpoint thing. So let me. I did this. Yes. And then here we can modify him. Modify target, offset position. I don't remember how long it is. Go down there. Should be. It doesn't. Yeah, it's 10. Apply. know why it does that with the things. I don't know why there's a ghost when I push there and things. But that's fine. Close. I don't know. So now when I check this, why does they have a thing attached to it? Why aren't you just not a normal point? What the fuck? Okay, I don't care. Let me change your name then. See. Flush. Point 1. A, B, C, D. Back. Start. And then we have E. It doesn't just let me. E, which is top of hole. B, C, D, E, F. I need to stop clicking wrong things. F. Midpoint. Goal hole. Top of goal hole. Goal hole is a fun word. Top of goal hole. Top of goal hole, and then here is E, I, B, C, D, E, F, G, flush, goal hole. And then GH, H, back to top of goal hole. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, which is the starting pose again. There's 100% a better way of doing this. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, back to start one last time. Oh yeah, wait, because you can just do a fucking move L to the thing again. Ah, Sibal. Sibal, chat. We kill there. And then, oh lord. Didn't do the last guy. Why didn't it do the last guy? The fuck? Where's the path? It didn't save my fucking J. It's bullshit. Fuck the church. Okay, I mean, we can just do a fucking move out of active things. So all of... whatever, man. Okay, I just realized what I was doing wrong, right? Because I can just do move else in the thing. I need to define the point on top of the point. That's a stupid way of doing it. That is a way of doing it. Right? And maybe there's like a good reason to do it some amount of the time. I wouldn't know it. I wouldn't know why. So it looks, at the very least to me, like I'm just being dumb, which I probably am. I mean, I am. I always am a little bit dumb. That much we are painfully aware of, as it were. Don't know why those things show there. It's very annoying, and I want them to go away. If I can, like, why? Chat. I am tired. I am not doing very well in a lot of different senses of the word. All right. Fuck. Chat. So what I'm doing right now is essentially accumulating scar tissue. In terms of, if you want to get good at something, you have to do it long, and you have to suck at it at first and then get better at it. Yeah, something like that. Okay, let me just... That thing hasn't been... don't turn the fucking... Part of me wants to turn the fucking stream off, because I just feel bad about myself. I shouldn't do that. I really shouldn't do that. I should sit in the discomfort of being bad and the fact that that is being recorded and be okay with that. Again, don't throw away your youth. Something like that. But the anxiety I am feeling about the fact that I suck and doing things poorly and recording that is annoying. And it's making me not want to do it. First point. Okay, so we'll kill this guy. Yes. And we'll kill this guy. Yes. Because all the other ones just be those guys, which they are. This all seem to make sense in my brain. So now, from here to here, can I do... No. And then we move this guy in here. So go boom. Wait, he should go here. So we go boom, boom, or boom, 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 bada boom, bam. And then another one here. No, we don't need a new target. That's why I was confused earlier. And then you go back up there, and then from there go back to the starting position. No. And then go back there. And now you go into rapid. And then you synchronize to rapid. Our new path man. So now I'm going to open off, well, not that one, this one. In here, we have starting pose, mid pose, flush, starting pose, top of goal hole, midpoint goal hole, flush goal hole, top of goal hole, starting pose. Boom, bam, boom, bam, boom. Wonderful. Wonderful. It is very uncomfortable to be dog shit at something and having that being displayed to the world, having to sit in the discomfort of being dog shit at something because you're learning it, and then just sit here and just know that you're. I mean, okay, so I am not even eating I am eating a plate of shit, in as much as I'm bad, right? And I want to get better, but I feel like in some sense, there's a difference between like being bad at, like, let's say, like you streaming a video game that you're bad at, that you're gonna get better at, right? Because there's no. Well, no, there is absolutely ego for a lot of people in doing that. I shouldn't say that there isn't ego in that, and there would be ego for me too, I would assume, right? And like now, right now, like literally no one is watching, right? Like, there's like a saying that you should be happy about not having an audience when you're figuring things out, because no one is going to expect anything of you. So you don't have to perform. You can go and be shit and go and put in your 10,000 hours into a thing, right? Before anyone ever watches it, right? But you got to make the thing in order to get to the 10,000 hours, in order to get good enough to where someone will watch it, right? Because there is some part of me, right, that wishes that I had what I am doing right now growing up, right? Which it probably did exist out there somewhere, right? But I didn't fucking know about it. And like, I will look back at these days and like, all right, look, look at the good old days. Because these will be the good old days one day. And we know that. The 1000, right? Yes, there's 3 zeros. Place that with like V10 or something. Let's go real slow. Well, V50 maybe. Replace all. Okay. And then replace the first guy there. Let me just do C100. Let's do C1 for everything now. Just to be super annoying and see how that looks like. That's definitely not required everywhere. Sure. And then we don't hit save there. We apply changes. And then we go. I think it's super annoying that it takes away that menu, because you need to go in here and click station. Click here. Go here. I don't know if this works. Right, if you had this fucking thing open, let me close. Can I close this one? No, that's not. So is it then not applied on the robot? No, it's in the robot's thing. I'm sure we'll figure it out. But if I now go to the path guy in the home menu, you should be able to move along path. Boom, 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 boom. And then that still doesn't do it. I don't know why. I'm sure we'll figure that out. Starting point for the simulation. Sure. That might have been a bad idea. Boom, 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 boom. But boom. We don't need him to follow the path that strictly, but I sort of like having him do that. Is it raining outside? I don't know. Is it? Can't tell. Give me 1 second, chat. I'm just gonna open the door. It sounds like it's raining. Chat, I can inform you, it was indeed raining. Cool. Okay, so now we have things there. Now we're gonna do like the action thing, I think. So let me save this real quick. Hopefully we haven't created a singularity up there and stuff. If we have, then we have learned something by doing that. Maybe. Note the motion from the home position to the first target should be move J. Should be move L. For the non-pick replacement, use velocity 100 and zone 10. Should have a finer zone. Yeah, this makes sense. Will we do that now? Yes. Necessary. I don't know what this means. Simulation terminate on the screen and run the simulation as you notice. Programmed opening, closing of the gripper by adding the appropriate digital I/O. In fact, you'll need to add a strict see it's happening, but we will get to that later. Okay, cool. So if I now press this button, does it do it? Yes. Boom, 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 boom. Then it goes here. This all seems to work. I don't know if I should like jog the robot a bit. Like, I don't know. I'll probably have to ask about it on the thing. I got to do it tomorrow. I'll do that probably. But yeah, that's a good start. Now we're going to here, and then we open up the guy. Come on, the guy, open up. There we go. These are all our positions. I don't care. So now we're going to change all the things in here. If they wanted the first, so us going here from like the home thing, which this is my fucking home thing. I'm a little confused, or if they want me to move the robot. So let me write. Can I write comments in this language? Is this a comment? That looks like it would be a comment. Do you want me to start the robot on a different position / in a different pose than at the starting point, so that we can do a move J from the new start to the actual start of the pick and place skill. Question mark. Sure, save this fucking thing. Hasn't it already been saved? Alright, save it here. I don't care. I just wanted to press the button because it felt good to do. Sure, why not? I don't know, because like, I mean, it doesn't look like it should be in a singularity, in as much as you should be able to move all the joints from there, because you don't want like certain types of angles, if I understood the whole singularity concept correct. But you will now define the use digital inputs and outputs to open and close the gripper. 60 digital outputs, and we refer to them as duo. Okay. Okay. We'll do things, we'll do things. Warm start. Interesting. And there's a bunch of things here to follow. Okay. And we will learn things. Since a robot would still not be able to exactly emulate the real world, and the simulator can, always needs to rely on real world experiments to generate real world results. The visual confirmation that the robot does what we think it would have from the physical experiment. To achieve this, we will manually add the picking and placing in the robot's simulation. In any way, to proceed, click on Event Manager. Cool. We'll learn how to do things, copy and pasting the path, and then we're done. This looks a lot cleaner than my version because I have extra points, which is not necessary, but I kind of like it. Okay. Wait, how do they go between them? It looks like they don't. But yeah, we'll get there eventually. Yeah, so we're making progress, chat. I'm so slow. I'm very sorry. I'm learning as I'm going. I'm really trying, and I have a small headache. That is part of my excuse. I will look back at these days as the good old days, and I know that's the case, and that's exciting. This is how I want to spend my time, and it makes me happy that I am doing that at 8:45 in the evening. I could just as well have been laying in bed watching YouTube videos or eating a snack or other hedonic activities, and I am genuinely happy that I'm not doing that. That's nice. But this is also pretty tiring. in a way which, like, I don't want it to be tiring. Just kind of is. But that's good, right? I'm learning something, I think. I'm having fun. Yes. I actually say I am having fun. This feels immensely meaningful in as much as I like the software we're using, I like what we're doing. I think that's pretty useful and like practical, right? And that's the whole thing about this course, right? It's applied robotics. You fucking apply the tools of robotics that you're learning, right? Like, I can write on my fucking CV that I have some rudimentary understanding of Robot Studio. I didn't know that before. And like, these are the types of things I wish I had done in my personal life before this point, right? So that would be really cool and useful, and it would make me look like a fucking Giga Chad, But I haven't done that, and there's very few people that have, But that's the thing. That's what differentiates the really good people from like the somewhat mediocre people. I also realized I haven't turned my VPN on. Yeah. Oh. Oh wait, did OBS not like the fact that I turned my VPN on? No, it looks fine. But it would make some sense that he would be a little bit upset about it at first. Oh, is my camera omega slow? Well, it's not as slow as it was before. It is still... It has a dog shit frame rate. What the fuck? Oh well. Not much I can do about it anyway. But now that I know that that's a thing, it's annoying me. So that is what it is. Alright, I'm gonna put on some damn music for myself. I'm gonna lock the fuck in. I might not talk as much, which is fine. I'm allowed to not talk if I don't want to. this is my fucking stream, and no one's watching anyways. It doesn't fucking matter now, does it? Let me see here. If I want to put it through the thing, I should put it in this thing. This thing isn't hard, it's just very time consuming. Which is. So, time consuming is hard in some sense. Because, like. Just putting in that time is hard. That's how I should probably phrase that. Elon's grand strategy is finally taking shape. Fucking reckless looking. Who the fuck is this guy? I don't know if I know who this guy is. Let me just go away, YouTube. I'm getting distracted. I know, chat. I'm just curious. Who the fuck is this guy? What the fuck? Okay. Like, damn, this guy has a lot of videos. That's crazy. Did I know who this guy is? Okay, some fucking Omega meathead. Okay, cool, man. How long have you been doing videos, bro? 7 years? Pretty cool. Okay. Cool. Okay. The fuck is. All right. Yeah. Yeah, don't recommend that channel to me. What the fuck? Hmm. Okay, I shouldn't. The fuck is. It would be nice to be shot and fucking die on a bleed out on a snowy, snowy staircase. Are smart scales accurate? What? Track a bunch of shite. Guided meditation for G2 fans. That's fun. Okay. Hey, wait, that's fucking cool, man. That's really cool. Some fucking fluid dynamics up in this bitch. That looks so fucking good. Holy. Okay, I need to stop being distracted. More fucking smart bullshit. Okay. Subtractive game design. You know what? Put that in a fucking playlist. Put it in this playlist. That seems fun. I need to stop that. Do the thing that I was supposed to be doing. I wasn't supposed to be. I was supposed to. Name brain. Well, you should name your brain. That sounds like some motivational bullshit. Okay, let's stop here. I don't know. I want some fucking music, but my brain is not saying what music I want. Man, man. Come on, brain. Just work with me here, man. This is a good song. Yeah, sure. Let's go. I don't like this song in as much as it's make me sad in ways which is not good for me, probably. Will my lights turn off in like 7 minutes? I think so. That's not. Why is the button? Oh, because I'm not pushing the right thing. Let's go like this. Okay. I'm just making sure that the things are off, so you guys don't need to. Moving spaces. God, this song is fucking good, man. God, that's. Sometimes I don't like a lot of the music that I listen to. In as much as when I'm not in a state of mind, I listen to a lot of, how should I say it? Melancholy, melancholic, uh, let me ask ChatGPT if there's a good word for that. What is the verb form of something that induces melancholy? Like melancholonic, sorta. Sure, let's get that way because this is a neat everyday word to make melancholy. You could coin melancholize. Cast into melancholy. I kind of like that. Um, Tempting to reflect upon music I usually listen to, inducing a lot of melancholy in me. That's not a melancholy spelled, is it? Oh, there's wait. Is there actual? All right, of course there's melancholy. Sure, let's see if the fucking chatbot. Melancholizes me. Inventive language. I do like inventive language a lot. I tend to make up words quite often. Okay, this wasn't that important, but yeah. Maybe it's not entirely a correct word for it. But no, well, it sort of sense it does actually remove some amount of reactivity in me. Yeah. Interesting, isn't it? Maybe it's a bit of an exaggerated word for it, though. But it's fine. We're working, chat. We're working. Right click on signals on the left side of the editor. Signals. And left click or right click. Right click, select new signal. That makes a lot of sense. New signal. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We want these fucking things. They did not copy function. Did not put the guy in here. Type of signal is type of signal to digital output. Digital output. Do we assign it to the device? Well, okay, we'll see. There should be more instructions if that's how they want me to do it. Should this also be digital output? Shouldn't that be digital input? Okay, let's not. Okay. Invert physical value. Let's create one fucking guy here. Yeah, we're good. Then we create a new signal here. Name should be DO1001. DO10, right? DO10 underscore 1. I assume this, I mean, according to the things there, should be developed too, right? That's wrong, we'll figure that out later. Yeah, we're good. Go away, thank you. And some shit in here, which is probably like for the robot, right? Restart, but doing warm start, you can see the location of that button in figure 10. Very good. Okay. In here. Unlikely to be. Rapid, is it? No. Under controller? It is under controller, probably. Yes, it should be under controller. That makes sense that it would be, I suppose. Restart, warm restart. It is saved and then change configuration parameter. Okay, sure. I don't know what this is even doing, but we'll figure it out. Chat, we'll figure it out. We are making progress, chat. Insert action instruction. Yeah, exactly. Now go here. Thing is back up here, and then the path is in. Let me go here first. Here's our little path man. You need to piss. I don't super need to piss, but I kind of need to piss. Oh, best remover. An hour and a half. Cool. That's a good number. We'll keep going. I am finishing this thing today. I have decided I'm finishing this thing today. It's not that many more things to do here. Hopefully. I am finishing it today. Nothing can stop me. I am on a roll, and then afterwards I am going to crash the fuck out in bed. Yeah, so that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes in the chat. I feel a little better now. Like I could end the stream now without feeling bad about it. In as much as that I pushed through the discomfort of being dog shit. Very proud of myself for that. I do kind of want to eat crisps. You know how it is. And just pig out for a moment and then come back. Set do template. Set instructions. Set do. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I will unstream here for a bit. Just uncomfortable feeling again in a weird way. Which in some sense I should push through that, right? But also just my brain also sort of knows when I do need an actual little break, right? I could just put up the break screen, but I just feel bad. Maybe I should. I don't know. But I'm finishing something today. I am finishing it today. There is. Yeah. This all makes sense. Yes, we're locked in. We are locked in, we're 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 locked in. We are so locked in, chat. We're so fucking locked in. Don't lock out, don't lock out, don't lock out. Ooh, signals. That will make your code more readable. This is true. Don't know if I give a shit. Don't know if I give a shit yet. Maybe I do. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna not look out. I promise, chat. I'm finishing this fucking thing today. You know what I'm gonna do? It'll be fine. I just need a moment, right? Just need a moment. I'll make you proud. I'll come back tomorrow with where I can report that I have finished it. I don't feel particularly, what should I say? Like, I'm not tired. I'm pretty locked in, which is good. I will finish it today. But I think I'll end stream here for now. Probably be back tomorrow. Where I don't know what we'll do. We're gonna do some navigation things in EDAP, and in this course, we're probably gonna start doing some kinematics stuff, because we can start doing those things now, which is good. And then we're on good pace. And then the last guy, I might actually do the last guy like during the weekend or something. It sort of depends if we're gonna go do karaoke or not. I am sort of not feeling karaoke at the moment, but I mean, if my people are down, then we'll make it happen, kind of thing. So yeah, that's the plan. I will finish it today. I will finish it today, even if I turn the stream off. I fucking promise you guys. This is one of those moments where I will not bend, but I will take a moment to just bah and then continue. That's the plan. If I'm just sitting here yapping, I'm not making progress anyway. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you all. Remember that you will look back upon these days as the good old days. Can I like you? God damn it. You will look back upon these days as the good old good old. Don't like how like brah. I wish it was slightly smaller. It's fine. Make this text a little smaller, like this, because I don't want to take up too much space, but I still want it to be there. I want to change the okay. Again, chat. This is where you don't do things. Oh no, this isn't what I wanted. It doesn't matter, but it's sort of hard to tell what the last part is. When it was just don't throw away your youth, it looked a little better. Regardless, slightly smaller. I don't know, or bigger. Anyway, I think this is an important note. There's two things here which are both very important. If I could add a third thing, it would be remember you're gonna die one day. Let me add some dots to it. Remember you are going to die one day. Perfect. Big U here. Big R here. I need to change. Okay. Now I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, but this also feels somewhat important in a weird way. Okay, whatever. This can be the thing here. That's fine. We have updated our little thing. Let's make it a little smaller. That might actually be hard to read. Maybe I should make the background transparent or something. I don't know. Regardless, chat. Regardless. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow, probably a little bit. Before I got a date and such. So yeah, we'll see. But I love you all. Thank you very much for watching and joining me on this little journey when we make memories for life, and we make the things that we're going to look back upon one day and say, damn, those were the good old days, right? That's always worth remembering when you're struggling, is that you're going to look back at it like, damn, that was so much fun. I mean, some amount of the time, right? Some amount of the time, like, tragedy is just tragedy, right? But this isn't tragedy. This is just me doing a challenge for myself. And I'm very proud of that. I'm very happy about that. But in the moment, it can be a little difficult. Yeah. But that's fine. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening. I will return with a good result. That's the plan. I love you all.